Okay, let us see a numerical. We are supposed to draw a triangle where angle in triangle ABC where length AB is 10 and angle A is 22.5, angle B is 75. So always before drawing, just try to analyze what is given in the sum and draw a rough figure. So I can see that AB is given as 10 centimeters. So let's say this need not be according to the scale. So AB, this is going to be 10. Okay. Angle A is 22.5. So let's say this is 22.5. This is 22.5. And angle B is 75. So angle B is 75 greater than 22.5. So this is one line and this is somewhere, this is 75. So this will be my C, correct? So we are just analyzing what are we supposed to do in this sum. So you can apply this method of drawing a rough figure if you want. Okay, now let us draw. So first thing, let us draw AB, which is 10 centimeters. A and B, this is 10 centimeters. Sorry, just a moment. So this is point A, this is B, and this is 10 centimeters. So you can use this method of marking if you want. I mark it generally like this. So this is dimensions which we give. So this is 10 centimeters. Okay, so I can write if I want centimeters. Okay, now A is 22.5 and B is 75. So it's not a straightforward sum if you see both the angles. So 22.5 is half of 45 and we'll have to analyze how to draw 75. Okay, so let us analyze that first. So what I'm doing is, first thing is I want to create a 45-degree angle. So for that I'll require 90 degrees. So I'm placing my compass here. I'm drawing two arcs, one at this end and one at this end. To draw 90 degrees we do this regular basis. So I'll extend my AB. Purposely I'm drawing it with some another color. Make sure you are going to use pencil, you are not going to use sketch pens in exam. So I'm extending the line AB. So it is cutting at 2 points, at this point and this point. So I have 2 points. Now I'll drop a perpendicular on A. So I'll place my compass here and I'll take a distance more than half and draw an arc at the top, at the bottom. Without changing the distance, I'll place it at the other point. I'll cut the two arcs. So if I draw this, I've got two more points here and here. So if I join this, so you can see these 3 points are collinear. So this is my 90 degrees. Okay, this is my 90. Now first thing I need to draw 45. So what I'll do, we need to bisect 90. So I'll place my compass here, take any random distance and draw an arc cutting both the lines, horizontal and vertical. So I've got 2 points, this and this. So let us bisect. So I'll place my compass here, I'll take a distance till this point and I'll draw an arc. Similarly I'll place it here and I'll draw and cut the arc. So what is this new angle now? So this angle is 45. I have bisected 90 degrees. So this angle is my 45 degrees, correct? Got it? Now 22.5 is half of 45. So I already have this arc cutting here. So I can take this points. So I can take this and this point. So I'll place the rounder at this point. I'll take a distance till here and draw an arc. I'll place, without changing the distance, I'll place it here and cut the arc. So now I've got a new point, one more new point. What will be this point? Yes, that's correct. Half of 45. So that is 22.5. So I got angle A as 22.5. So I'll extend this line. So I have this angle as 22.5, correct? So I've drawn this. This angle is 22.5 degrees. Okay. Now my B needs to be 75. So what I can do about 75? Any guesses? Now see, 75 can be 60 plus 15 makes 75, correct? So 60 degrees plus 15 degrees, and 15 is 30 degrees bisected. So let us do that. 30 degrees bisected will give you 15. So let us do that. So first thing, let us drop a perpendicular. So I'm placing my compass at B. One arc here, one arc here. Let us extend B. Let us extend the line. So I've got 2 points, this and this. So let us place the compass at this end. Take a distance greater than half. Cut an arc at the top, at the bottom, without changing the distance. Place it at the other point. Cut the 2 arcs. You can see 2 arcs now. So I'll drop a line, this and this. So you can see these 3 lines are collinear. So can we say this is 90? So this is 90 now. Okay. Now let us use something to draw 60 degrees. So we have learned how to draw 60 degrees. So take any given distance, place it here, draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc. Now without changing the distance, place it at this point and cut the given arc without changing the distance. So I've cut it here. So now I got a new point, this one. So what would be this angle? Yes, absolutely, this angle would be 60. This is 60. So if this is 90 and this is 60, what would be this? Can we say this is 30? Correct? So this angle would be 30 degrees. बराबर है? So this is 60, this is 30 degrees. So now let us bisect that 30 degrees. So how to bisect it? So let us take an arc. I'm placing the rounder at B. I'm cutting these 2 lines. So I'm taking any given arc, any given dimension. I'm cutting an arc which is cutting these 2 lines. So I've got 2 points. Simple method. We are using this since when? Bisecting an angle. So I need to bisect those 30 degrees to get 15, no? So I've drawn an arc cutting these 2 points. Now what I'll do, I'll place the compass here. I'll take this distance and draw an arc. Without changing the dimension, I'll place it here and draw an arc. So I got a new point. This one. Correct? I got a new point now. Sorry, the book got moved. So when I join this, now see carefully. This was 30. So what is this angle? Correct? This was 15. And what is this angle? This is 60. So what is this total angle? So 60 plus 15. Can I say this is 75? Correct? So this is 75. This is 22.5. So we have done this part A. We have done this part B. We have extended the 2 lines. So where this 22.5 and where this 75 cuts each other, what is this point? So can I say this point is my C? So you can see ABC is my required triangle. I hope it's clear.